Talesong 17. Falkner. I grow in quiet country air, adopted love, unspoken care. He guards me close, past kept tight, shadows living in his sight. Travel comes, new friends appear. Secrets rise I cannot hear. A stranger knows what he has done. Old crimes chase the setting sun. Truth breaks open, mercy waits, justice trembles at the gates. He killed once for love gone wrong. Now I choose what makes me strong. I stand between law and heart, rewrite fate, refuse to part. Forgiveness lifts what guilt had torn. From buried pain, new lives are born. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.